Alright, YouTube. Alright guys, I'm coming on right now. What's up, Sonic? How's it going? Good news, guys. I'm feeling a lot better today. I mean, I'm not there 100%, but I don't got a sore throat today. Today, I got more like congestion today, which I'd rather have the congestion over the sore throat any day. Well, yesterday it was like a sore throat and congestion. Today, it's just more of just the congestion. Like I said, I'd rather deal with the congestion though. I did try to hop on a little earlier today. Well, I was going to get on a little bit earlier, but I ended up getting delayed with a friend texting me, so kind of sidetracked me a little bit. That's okay. Anyways. Oh, cool. So I got really exciting news for Spedix today. Spedix is now going to have an achievement system. It is now going to have a level up system for every profile. So your profiles are actually going to have levels now. And there's going to be unlimited levels on a profile. And there is also going to be site leaderboards as well too. So like the ones that like, kind of like leaderboards. That's the goal. I studied to do that update, but I could aim to get that done today. And I will also grant you guys those things on your profiles still. I'm still kind of structural in that part, so just kind of bear with me on that a little bit. But yeah, it is a planned future update, and we will get it out. Trust me, it's gonna become a thing. I'm just trying to kind of tackle some big site bugs right now, but I'm also trying to get this new update out because this is I'm trying to find ways to bring people back to Spedix. And I'm also trying to find ways to make people engage more often on the site, Yeah, for sure. We'll try to have that in the future too. Okay, so we got that done. Next thing I gotta do. Yeah, we have a little bit of challenges ahead of us today. There's new stuff, and then Alright, so we're gonna need to do entire site header menu. No. Profile header menu, that's what we need to update. Okay. Add a achievement. I'm just trying to kind of get the basics for the new update done today. Yeah, with the events and the spleef, I gotcha. Trust me, that's gonna be on my list to do today. I'm gonna be kind of like hopping around to like multiple things today. Like not only is the Volcom gonna be getting updates, but we're gonna be updating Sphenix, and may try to do another game development update later too. I'm gonna just see what I can get into today. It's gonna obviously be a little bit of a busy day. Obviously, there's a lot to do. Sorry if I have to like kind of get up from time to time. I don't want to blow my nose on stream, as that's disgusting. Especially with all the congestion I got right now, very disgusting, but... Alright, so also another change that I did do, we're going to get rid of the events team as of this day, because I feel like just the events, I feel like it's something that we're going to have to kind of gradually do slowly. It isn't going to be a fast transition. I think the thing for the events is I'm gonna host them on Saturdays. I think as of right now, kind of like the building contest, and then I'm gonna try to like train the helpers on how to run events. So like I'm gonna pretty much have you guys kind of like help me kind of set up the events, and then we'll pretty much get you guys on the same system as me as I host them, and then that way in the future, if you guys ever want to host the events and I can't stream for the day, you guys know how to host them too. I am going to see if I could give you guys power and leverage on the Evolve Cap page on the website too. So when it comes to that page, I'm going to see if I could allow you guys to have access to some stuff on that page. So you guys not only will have power on the Minecraft, so I'm hoping to give you guys access to the Evolve Cap website too. The web page, if that makes sense. On Sphenix, so... This is all going to tie in kind of with like the Sphenix updates. And at the same time, if we kind of go off the helper team now, we have more bodies to go off of too. Rather than the events team, we don't really have a lot of bodies to go to. In the future, we still may go back to that system, but as of this day, I think I'm just going to keep it the helpers and we'll always keep it that way. I'm not going to have you guys focus so much on training new people to play the server. Unless if anybody's online, then I would ask you guys to, like, if I can't be online. I'm going to try to do most of that myself. But obviously, if I'm not online, that's why I'm going to try to ask you guys to step in. We all want to try to be on top of new players, like, whether I'm online or whether I'm online or whether I'm not online. If I'm not online, I'm going to try to have you guys carry that task. But if I'm online, I'll deal with most of the new people because I do anyways, so I should just leave that for my own responsibility. Yeah, well, most people ain't gonna obviously buy it. If it's a scam, if you're averagely smart or if you're smart, you ain't gonna spend the money on that. Oh shit, what am I doing here?
And then there's a sign that says price store book.
I almost choked. Okay, so my question to you, Sonic, and obviously this is still in the process of updates. I'm just trying to get some feedback right now. So this is what some of the new updates look like right now. So every profile on Spenix is actually going to have like levels, as you can see. For the levels, should I keep them right here or should I move them up? Should I like move them up maybe over here? Should I put them on maybe under the intro section? And it's gonna be about half the size. I think I'm gonna make it about like half the page, kind of like this size. Would you look at who it is? What's up, Clips? I'm back. I'm feeling a lot better today too. Exactly, yeah, kind of like right here, right? Like, when it comes to, like, the levels, probably, like, over here, correct? And then maybe we could put the profile stickers, like, over here. I agree. I would 100% agree with you. Yeah, that's what I was thinking, too. Okay, so right now... Okay, we'll see if we can kind of do something like that. I'm going to have to play around a bit. I agree. It should be like on the top of the profile, like where everybody's gonna see it, because that's gonna be kind of like a flex, you know. Hey, thanks for following, Clips. I'm also gonna make you a mod here too, Clips. As I've known you for years, like you said. Yeah, I'm streaming on both YouTube as well. We haven't had that much action on YouTube yet, though, unfortunately, so. Which is alright. Yeah, me too, man. Is that even possible, like doing a YouTube show live stream? I've never actually done that. Yeah, I used to have that. The only reason we don't have that is because of copyright issues.
KBK underscore clip 6969. Well, of course, it's why I don't stream on YouTube as much, always copyrighting my shit.
Yeah, I know. The YouTube copyright laws are annoying. Also, guys, we are going to, we do have a video upload section as well, too, on Sphenix. So if you ever do plan on uploading videos and stuff, you guys can start to upload videos this day on your profiles. And if you guys have any site feedback as well, too, please let me know, like, what we could do to make the site better. I may even have website moderators here pretty soon if anybody wants to be a Sphenix moderator in the future. I think that is gonna be another role I have on my channel. We're gonna have website mods here pretty soon.
KBK underscore clip 6969. KBK underscore clip 6969. I think I might make a good one.
Yeah. Hang on one second, guys. You said you need a USB cable? Yeah, I got you. When you're the little office, because I go to a little one,
KBK underscore clip 6969. Just let me know when you plan to do that, and I'm not, I don't see a problem being one. Nanotech 121 underscore. Hey there. Sonicolor. WSP. WSG.
I think we'll also give people the option to reset the levels too. Okay, guys, I'm back. What's up, Bubble Doggy? What's up, Nano? Nano, you gotta be a Twitch mod. Why the hell are you not a Twitch mod yet? My fault. I got you, boss. How you doing today, guys? Sounds good, Clips. I do need people that do use the website a lot, though, too. So, if I do have any website mods, I am going to need those people to be active a lot, too. On Twitch, I pretty much mod everybody. As long as you're like a regular and you're trustworthy, then I'll give you the mod status. But for Volcraft and for like the website, no, I don't mod just anybody. I am trying to create different teams and formations, and I'm trying to branch everybody out. Like pretty much, if you're a mod on any of my projects, you could take your mod title and you could transfer it. So like if you work for a Minecraft server and you wanted to be a mod on our website, there's a good chance that I will let you do that. But you could pretty much only have one role. I'm giving everybody pretty much one role, as I want people to prioritize their roles, if that makes sense. So we're gonna also have a website staff team here pretty soon too. Do you remember your old Twitch account name? I've had the Enlightenment, I've had the Enthusiastic, I've been the Big Cheese 22, Cody, what was the other one? CDIs was gaming. Yeah, Enthusiastic. I used to be the Enthusiastic at one point. Alright guys, so right now we have a lot of proposed updates today. I am a little tied up with Sphenix right now as I'm rolling out updates with Sphenix. But we have a whole list of things that could be done. If anybody does want to vote for the server today, if anybody wants to do any updates, I have a whole list of things that could be done. And if anybody did want to help. Right now, we're pretty much creating a creative spawn. So we're pretty much trying to create like a nice spawn for the creative server. That's one project right now. We need a faction spawn. We need a hardcore survival spawn. And then as of this day, for game modes, we could start working on hardcore today. If anybody wanted just to help develop spawns, because like right now, most of our servers don't have spawns, and that's updates I feel like we should really get on as of this day. You play all clips. Would you like to join an all Minecraft server today too? And it is really fun. I think you would highly enjoy it. We do have a bunch of we do have a staff team coming alive, and you know, it's pretty fun. But obviously there's still room to improve our server. Also guys, I am gonna probably bring back building contests on Saturdays. I'm gonna host the contest right now, but I am gonna try to get the helpers involved to host them, as I want you guys to try to understand the structure. So if you guys ever wanted to host the contests in the future, I will still let you guys host the contest for me. My goal is just to mainly try to promote the server and make sure everything's going smoothly. That's pretty much my goal, and that's my objective also. And then obviously helping new players get on board, as we gotta make sure we're strong in that area. And right now, for all the candidates in that area, I think I'm the strongest for that position. So I took that duty away from the helpers as of this day, because right now there's a lot of confusion in that area. I mainly just want you guys to focusing on welcoming players and just assisting players if they need help. And then if you guys wanted to help run the events with me, it would be an awesome helping hand. And we could also do that in the form of like a team setting too. You know? Because like when it comes to the building contest, people are going to need to submit their votes on the website. And obviously when it comes to the results, I could allow you guys to be in charge of that too. I pretty much want to try to take your helpful duties and not only have it on the Minecraft server, but I also want to give you guys leverage on the Minecraft page as well. If you guys wanted me to do that. I mean, it's something I would like to ask the team to see like how you guys feel about that. And it also does make your role a little bit more exciting in my opinion. As this project also does tie into Sphenix. I mean, right now a lot of people obviously ain't using Sphenix for it yet. But in the future, that's the whole reason why we're going to be doing the building contests and stuff, as we're integrating that into the website. So one of the goals of this project is to obviously try to get people to play the project, but it's to also try to bring them to Sphenix as well too. And we are trying to find ways to make Sphenix more popular. And one way we're going to do that is that people are actually using Sphenix for meaningful reasons. And right now, the building contest is one way of doing that. On top of like having the Minecraft page for itself, another reason too. And then in the future, I plan on doing other projects to bring people to Sphenix too. Like we're gonna have a Roblox server one day. As of this day, I am doing website updates to try to make the website more fun in ways, and that's what I'm currently working on as of now. Do I still stream on Kick? Not as of this day, but I will be going back to it soon. I don't want to do Kick exactly right now until we have a little bit of everything in front of me figured out right now. I got a lot on my plate. I'm just not trying to stress myself out right now. But is Kick on my vision? Yeah, my vision is to try to hopefully do as many platforms as I can. Alright, we gotta hope this update works. Yes, it does work. Awesome. Okay, we have a little bit of a problem here. So we got that system set up correctly pretty much, but there's a little bit of a problem. Yeah, guys. 1 second. Hey! Hi! Alright. If he's not here, I'll let him out and bring him up here. Come on. Get up here. Here. Come on. Get up here. Come on. Go to bed. Come on. Come on. Hey. Come on, boy. Come on. What? Right down. I'm back. Okay.
Nanotech 121 underscore. You better not bubble.
Yeah, if he does, I'll whack him. Alright, so right now we're working on this new Spenic system. We're actually going to evolve it to be a little bit bigger. Yeah, like right now we have achievements and leaderboards. Pretty much the achievements are pretty blah. And right now it's kind of like tasks. So I'm going to rename this to tasks. And then we're going to actually have tasks and achievements separated. We may even get rid of the leaderboard section too. I don't know if the leaderboard section is really needed. Do you guys think we should have a leaderboard section on the website that displays like all the profile levels or not? To me, it's kind of not really a beneficial feature. I don't think it's really needed. I think the main thing is like tasks, obviously to know like what you should do on the site. And on how to get XP, and then I think we should have the achievements, which displays your hard work. Oh, we had a lot of fun on Fortnite. Yeah, we did. Quiet. Don't be a repeat of yesterday or you're gonna get spanked. Oh, hey buddy. Oh. Hey! No! Did you own something? Oh yeah, you did. Told you, I ain't kidding. This dog has like a really bad habit of bulking, and I have to pretty much vacuum or I can't get him to stop. I hate to have to go that route, but I've tried doing it the nice way, and he don't listen. That's like the biggest red flag in this dog is he bulks. Like he is a freaking bulker. See, he stopped smoking now. I don't know why my computer's moving so slow today. It's driving me nuts. Alright, there we go. Yeah, that's better. That's better. Okay. So we gotta rename that page to achievements. We're gonna rename this to tasks. And then we're going to have an achievements page. As I have a better vision for this. And if we're going to do something like this, we're going to do it the way I envision it. So you guys want to hear what's really excited about Spenix? in the future, I am going to be building a metaverse that does tie into this project one day too. So your game accounts are going to be pretty much like your social media accounts, and everything is going to cross transfer. I don't think we really need the leaderboard section. Yeah, we're gonna get rid of the leaderboards. Don't think we really need that. I don't really think we need that system. And if we ever want it in the future, we could always bring it back, but I don't think we're gonna need that. But in the future, if everybody did want me to add something like that, we can. Okay. No. Okay, so right now we're rolling out another update right now. A lot of exciting new changes into play. It's going to even be more exciting when these updates are completed. Obviously, it is going to come with some bugs right now too, so every time we usually do a new update to the site, expect bugs, because that's kind of just the process of it. Still going to be some exciting updates though. It's going to be making our website much more better now. I think this is what our profiles really need to make our profiles more successful on our site. Okay. So out of all the projects that I'm building, guys, what project are you guys most excited for as of this day? As of this day, we have the Minecraft server. We have Sphenix, which is our website. We have Judgment Day. We're going to have our Roblox server in the future. And then we're going to have Sphenix Universe, which is our Metaverse project. What project are you guys most excited for? But if I had to guess, most people I feel like are going to be excited about the Minecraft server based off the success of it so far. I think the website will get more popular too. But something tells me I feel like Judgment Day is going to be another popular one. Alright guys, who wants a mission? So right now, if anybody does want to help me with some tasks, this is going to be kind of like our creative spawn at the moment, but we could use a way nicer creative spawn. Okay. I'm a little bit busy right now with Phoenix, but if you guys wanted to give me a helping hand, I could use help on this project if anybody did want to help. And we are going to have 2 teleportals in the future. So just understand that too. Actually, shit, I don't think we could do teleportals. We will gonna have teleportals. We will try to go back to that system in the future. As of right now, we'll have to probably do signs as this thing. We are gonna try to bring teleportals back in the future. I think we'll try to have the commands and the teleportals way as like a user preference. But you know, we pretty much just want to try to style this to look nice. But now I am going to envision that we are going to have teleportals in the future. So I'm just going to build 2 teleportals as decoration. Hey, what's up, Kai? How's it going, Kai? And if you guys just need to do / ignore claims, you guys could do so too. I'll give you guys op right now too, since everybody's gonna probably be developing today. Pretty much today, guys, we just want to try to make our server better if we can. So like right now, I'm gonna envision maybe like a teleportal here. I just kind of want to just kind of give you guys some ideas on what I'm envisioning right now. We pretty much just want like a nice detailed creative spawn. So maybe like a fountain, you know, maybe some like maybe some like walls around it. Kind of like a survival spawn. You know how we have like a nice survival spawn? Kind of like the same thing. But this one is gonna be more meaningful, I think, in the form of teleportals, as they're gonna take you to different like Minecraft worlds. Like as of now, I envision that we're going to have 3 teleportals as of now. I think we're going to have one for this pixel. We're going to have one, I think, for like a generated sea. And then we might do another, I don't know. I mean, when it comes to all creative, when it comes to our overall creative server, we can, you know, I'm going to say we can hopefully do teleportals in the future, though. I really would love to do the ideas. So we may even take the hub idea that we've had in the past and bring that alive again too. But right now we gotta obviously look for a Vulcan teleportal plugin. We'll make some magic happen. Huh. I would like to see if we could take this. Maybe we could do like, what I'm envisioning is maybe we could do like a fountain. No. Stop. Stop being a crybaby. Oh. Shake. Good boppies. There you go, you got something going here. This is looking better. Yeah, there you go. We got some magic happening. You're onto something good. Hey. No. Oh, much better. Let's see if we can go to this page. 1 second. I don't know if the system's integrated with this or this is a new system here. Hoping it's integrated with just the profiles. That'd be awesome. Oh, I saw. No, hang on. Okay, that's integrated with that. So we're gonna have to do an update in that area. Alright, have a good one, Kai. Okay, so we're gonna keep that. see what we got. Hopefully we're making progress on this. Yeah, this is looking a lot nicer. What are you doing in there? Aw. What are you doing, Joe? Oh, good boy. Good. What are you doing? Oh, what are you doing? What the crap are you doing, boy? Oh, please. Ah! What the hell? No. Stop. Stop poking. Hey! No! Stop. No! Stop. Hey! Lay down. Stop. Told you guys, this dog, man, he just, that's why I have to back him. Otherwise he won't stop, he just keeps doing it. Okay, we'll try to do some fixes right now. Because right now with this new update, we do have a couple of new bugs that came on with the site right now. So I'm trying to fix a lot of these bugs right now. But overall, for the new updates and system, everything's actually looking good. So Sonic, you said that the events and the spoof will tie in together. Oh, they all tied in together. Hang on. Yeah, they all tied in together. Wait though, how? Okay, so I think the problem I know, it's not that the seeds are tied in together. What's going on is the inventories are tied in together. So we're gonna have to put that as a bug. Okay, I know that as a bug. Yeah, you're correct on that. So that is on my list to do too. So if the dragon's done spawning, oh, if we need to reset the end, we should be able to reset the end too. All what we could do is we could always just spawn the entity. We could always just spawn the Ender Dragon as the entity. We'll have to do something about that. So maybe we'll do like a reset every day on the Ender Dragon. We'll maybe have to wipe the end now. We'll have to come up with a policy on that. And in the future, I'll have to see. Oh, in the end, you could just place an end crystal on each side of the portal. Okay. So that's what we'll do. I think we'll go that route. If a helper has to reset the Ender Dragon, we could always have a helper do it in the future. We'll have to make that like a staff role, so like if anybody wants to fight it, we'll just have to reset it. Okay, I'm trying to fix this bug. Hi, Theo. Okay, yes, we got that a little bit fixed now. And that's still showing, awesome. Okay, so that update was successful. So the good news is I'm already debugging a lot of the issues from the new update on Spinix. Next thing I gotta do is I gotta get the initial box out of here on the photos gallery. Okay, so we remove that. That won't show there. No, quiet. Alright, so right now we're tackling a lot of the bugs from the new updates right now. I am actually going to go around on Spenix and actually try to tackle some other bugs today too. Today's going to be a pretty big Spenix day today. A pretty big Spenix there. Unfortunately on Minecraft server we haven't really been getting a lot of views because I don't think I streamed too much over the weekend. I've noticed every time I take like a day break, we gotta like pretty much get all streams back on track again, if that makes sense. I've kind of noticed that lately. Every time I take like a day break, you know, all that momentum just kind of dies for some reason. Photos. Alright, much better. We got another issue tackled there. I'm going to create a site backup right now. I've already got a lot done for these updates. Might as well get a backup into play now. But I think this new update is going to be making Spenix a lot more popular. Especially for the profiles. Like it gives people more meaning to like actually want to use their profiles now that we have a kind of a grinding system. Something we've never seen on a social media website before. This is the very first social media website to have this, so you guys are welcome. I think it's actually a pretty exciting feature. So another thing that we're going to try to add is teleportals again too. So I'm also trying to get some feedback. Add teleportals. I am going to try to bring back the teleportals idea to the game modes again, because I did like that idea a lot in the past. So I put that on all bugs and issues at the moment. What else do we need to do? I don't think we really need a need wireless channel. This. Sorry guys, I'm just doing a bunch of changes. I'm even doing some Discord updates right now too. A lot of stuff into play right now. We have a lot of exciting stuff coming alive. Alright, now I gotta find the rest of these little bugs. Alright. What's up, Waymack? How you been, man? Alright, something tells me I gotta use this.
Granite 125. Freaking 30-foot just got home from my work. Locos ate my sour cream onions and how you do.
Good, man. Just doing some websites to just doing updates to our website at the moment. That's pretty much the goal right now. Trying to get some updates done here, and we're pretty much adding achievements and like tasks and all kinds of cool stuff.
Granite 125. That's the
Yeah, for sure. You know, doing a bunch of exciting new changes. I'm a little sick today though, so if I sound like shit, that's why.
Granite 125. Couple paychecks and I'll get rid of PC. Granite 125. No worries, my guy, all good.
Couple of paychecks and then you can get a PC. Hell yeah, man. You excited?
Granite 125. Very excited that it came from Cat Minute. Somehow, could I show you something that you should 100% definitely add to the reels?
Hey.
Hey.
No! I'm actually glad I got a new computer because now it like won't even turn on.
The other one?
Which I'm a little worried about because it died on me, so I had to restart the whole thing all over again.
Hopefully it transfer.
No, it didn't.
It didn't transfer?
That's what I'm saying. Like,
So you need to pretty much come back on so you can redo that process.
yep.
I see what you're saying.
Because it died while I was in the middle of it. And I had to restart it.
Yeah, right now I'm doing all the new changes to the website right now. So this is going pretty good. Can I show you something that we should 100% definitely add to the rules? Yeah.
Dogs 1 and 2.
Sorry, I'm just a little busy right now. Yeah, I did. They're bringing Black Ops 1 and Black Ops 2 to the PlayStation consoles. But I do recommend, if you're going to get those games, I recommend get a PC. And
No.
I'm telling you now, the reason why I say that is so you don't have to pay subscriptions, number one. Number two, even the base price of those consoles, they're gonna be raising the prices of those consoles again. And number three, that way you don't gotta, get leverage into subscriptions, like I said. What is that exactly? Oh, these? The crying obsidian blocks? Yeah, they do explode. Well, I would say that's kind of like a form of trolling. So if anybody's doing that, which I don't think nobody really will, should be okay. Obviously, if somebody's doing that, then we'll classify that as trolling.
Also, we need to get new cables because these suck.
I have other ones. Well, what's wrong with it? It doesn't charge fast?
Yeah. It's okay. It's just.
I have another one. Maybe it's just that one's faulty.
I'm trying to. Will you get away?
Yeah, exactly. Like, you're pretty much buying a computer for the price of that.
Huh?
I'm talking to Ramit. Yeah, pretty much anybody that buys a console is just gonna get gypped.
Alright, I'm gonna put them in the cage.
Alright.
Cage!
Grand 125. Right with the graphics.
Like I said, like, PC is honestly the way to go these days. Like, by the time you pay $900 for a freaking game console, you might as well just get a computer. And you avoid online subscriptions. You have access to a lot more games. You're gonna have better graphics, better processing power. You can do a lot more on a computer too. It's just, honestly, it's just logical in so many ways. But the biggest thing I look at is the subscriptions. I mean, by the time you pay a subscription, you could be using that money for games, upgrading your computer, etc. Which to me would be a lot smarter.
I think I'm just anxious to use it, and that's why
Yeah.
I'm like, I'm ready.
You're ready.
I'm ready. My other one,
Alright, like a bouncing Betty.
my other one is a POS. Oh, now you want to turn on. Now you want to turn on, you stupid.
Can't call it stupid, it's outdated. It's aged, okay? It's on its deathbed.
Can I show everyone what I got?
Yeah.
Oh. Down goes Mr. Koala. Mr. Koala, where'd you go, buddy?
Alright, moment of truth. Is this gonna go?
I could probably test Spenix on
Yay, it goes. Okay.
I don't know who's. Oh, hi, Ramek. Hi, Sonic.
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 So I just like to say Sonic.
There you go.
I wasn't talking to you, I was talking to Sonic. I'm messing. Hey, I wanted to pull you, that's what you do to me. Cut my head off sometimes. Sonics. Sonics. Alright, let's see how this next update goes here. Hopefully everything's completed the way I need it to be. Come on. Oh, why do we have two tasks here? What in the hell? Oh, I know why we have two. I know why. Okay. Yes. Okay. Everything is going the way I need it to go. Let's go, baby. Let's go.
Come on, hopefully this works. Third time's a charm.
Okay. We have one little problem though with the new update. Sphenix.
Finish.
Okay. So we need to delete that show. Oh, maybe that show code will actually delete it.
Yes or no?
1 second, y'all. Got good news, guys. We pretty much got all the bugs out of the new update already. Which I wasn't expecting to do this fast, but hey, that's what happens when we got things actually more organized on our website. Only thing is, man, my fucking computer's moving slow today. And it's not the computer itself, like it's either the Wi-Fi or I have to update something.
It might be me.
It might be a Windows update. Oh, I might have to update some drive rules.
I wonder what one thing I figured out.
What? What's up, Lambo God? Hey, I got somebody in the stream, okay? What's up, Lamb? How's it going? Would you like to come join in some Minecraft today? Sup? How's it going? Oh god, Mr. Bones. Okay,
No,
Bonesy.
I'm not connecting it. It's at 83%. It should be fine.
Ah, die. You trying to bring the creeper to creative civil? And you want to do all this? Yeah, so to do that, you're going to have to actually, fuck, what do you have to do? We have to pretty much, like, copy it, and then, like, we have to, like, paste it somehow. If I have some time later, I'd love to join. Sounds good. If you did want to join, too, this is going to be the IP for you, okay? Thanks for clicking that follow button, too. And then 847, Dylan, welcome in. How you doing today, Dylan? And then if you did want to join today, I will take out the whitelist too, so you can join on your own convenience right now, okay? Would you like to join the Discord server too, Lamb? So that way, if you do need to be whitelisted, you're on the Discord server. As we do have a whitelist on our server when we don't play, or when I don't stream. I do advise everybody to join it, if you guys haven't done so. So, if you guys need any technical support on joining, or if you need to be whitelisted, I could always do it on my own time too. I'm feeling a lot better today. Just a little congested in the nose. That's the only thing that sucks. But thankfully, I feel pretty good, guys. I feel pretty good today. Sadly, not like $1 million, but I'm feeling maybe like $60 today. Why is this not going up? This isn't supposed to be duplicated. Member profile. Alright, so it's duplicating. I think I know why it's duplicating. I might not even need that extra code. We're gonna find that out right now. This is gonna tell the story on what the heck's going on. So if this still goes, then... Oh. Huh. So we need that. So we have a duplicated system, yeah. Okay, perfect. But one problem. Tasks and achievements are duplicating. And for anybody that's new here, if you want to know what I'm doing, I am doing some website updates. And if anybody did want to join our social media platform as well, let me know. Spendix.net is the website name. And if anybody does join, I do encourage you guys to join on desktop as of this day. Not so much mobile yet, because mobile, it's undergoing a lot of updates right now. And there was a lot of bugs with mobile, so like I said, for the best experience right now, make sure just to use desktop. But in the future, we're going to be pushing mobile heavily. I am in the process of trying to fix stuff on mobile, but yeah, desktop's the move right now, yeah. I mean, mobile will be good. It's just right now, it's undergoing some major updates due to the new changes I've been doing to desktop. And then after I get a lot of these updates cleaned up on mobile, I'm then going to be pushing to get the mobile app released next. Which the mobile app is going to be the very exciting move. That's when I do recommend everybody to use it on mobile, because like that's the way we want to go with mobile app. But right now, with desktop and what we have in front of us, it's quite challenging right now with what we have. And then on top of me shuffling a bunch of projects too, that doesn't help either. But we're gonna make it happen. You guys know how we do it.
If I'm not talking much, it's because I'm watching something, but I can still hear you.
The problem is, like, I know I could get a lot of this stuff done, but the problem is, you know, it's having the time to do it all, like shuffling a job and stuff. And on top of it, it is a lot of work, so it can also be draining in the process of doing it all too. But will we eventually get from point A to point B? Absolutely. You know, it's just a matter of time, pretty much. Time is the problem right now. But I do got good news. We are gradually getting closer day by day. And that's why I'm doing a big update to Sphenix today, because this is a big push. I think this next push is gonna... I'm trying to boost activity on Sphenix right now. I haven't been focusing on Sphenix too much, because I'm trying to increase the website traffic right now. Like, why would I want to really push this project when, number one, it's a big project, so it's time consuming, and number two, I don't think it's really worth prioritizing it until there's actually more traffic on it, which right now, we don't really have any traffic right now. And it's not that the website isn't good, it's just, you know, I feel like, you know, there's room for more updates and improvements, and then obviously bug fixes and stuff like that. And that's kind of the goal of today's update, you know. I'm pretty much doing a lot more updates. We're going to see how these new updates do. And the goal of today's update is to hopefully boost traffic. That is the goal of today's update. We're actually trying to enhance things to be more exciting. What the hell? Why is this not showing anything? Huh. That was weird. Okay, so these last two codes didn't go, so we're gonna get rid of these. Wish this freaking computer wasn't slow today, man. I don't know what it is. It's pissing me off. Is that freaking like drivers update or what? Up to date. So it's just, I think it's the Wi-Fi today. Shit's moving slow. It needs to be rebooted. Okay. Trying to get this shit to go. What the fuck? Okay, let's see what's going on. This doesn't go, then I think it's gotta be with one of these cards. Okay, that's fixed it now. Yeah, there we go. Fixed. So I got good news, guys. We got about 90% of the bugs fixed with this new update. And then after that, I am going to go hit up some other bugs on the website. On desktop. I'm mainly focusing on desktop right now because I'm pretty much allowing people to use the site on desktop as of this day. Like, that's the main push right now. Which desktop itself is actually looking really good. I think these new changes are going to encourage people to want to use the site more too. There you go. I'll see how this new update looks on mobile. Okay, so next update, let's get rid of all this now. Yeah, I got you, Remick. Okay, clean up our site. with some extra files we don't need. This is a very exciting update that I got done today. I think from here, Sphenix is going to start to do better now. Like I said, this was the whole goal of today's update, to try to make our site a little bit. This even makes it more fun for the Metaverse project too. So this is a good update, not only just for the site itself, but it's also good for Sphenix Universe. Which is one of the goals and why I wanted to get this done today too. Okay, so we got all that done. I am gonna make another backup, so if we did lose anything, we're not gonna lose any. We're not gonna lose all of our progress I just did. Oh, looks like that bug fixed itself too. Oh, hang on, it's on this page still. We're gonna have to update again. Alright, we're going to update this code. Before we do this, we're going to make one more backup. Got a lot done today so far, guys. It's been a good development day today, especially for Sphenix. It's been a really good day for Sphenix today. No way. No, what? Hey, yo. Let's do it again. Got some chocolate like that.
No, I don't.
Yes, you do.
No, I don't. See? All gone.
Oh, it is gone. Oh, I see. No, it's not. Yo, what's up, Bacchus? When the heck I look over and follow people and you won't live and text again, you live. Yeah, I'll be like that. How you doing today, Akis? I got good news too. A nice update is coming to Spenix today. So we're now going to have achievements. We are now going to have tasks, and then every profile is going to have a level up bow. So pretty much everybody's profile on Spenix is going to have a level now, a level system with unlimited levels. And the more you use our site and the more you do your tasks, the more you're gonna level up your profile. You are allowed to work on Town Hall, absolutely. You know how it goes. But yeah, we got a lot of, you got the mob farm going, nice. So we got a couple of good updates out. You guys have been kind of focusing more on Volcraft today. I've been kind of focusing more on Spenix today. And then the good news is, I also did take some notes on Volcraft as well too. On a couple of bugs that we have. So I am creating a list of bugs and new ideas that I do want to add to the server, and we are going to hopefully start rolling a lot of those out this week. But I am trying to get more publicity on Spenix right now, because Spenix hasn't really been having a lot of traffic yet. So I am trying some new ideas with Spenix right now. So I wanted to give a little bit of love and attention to the website today. And at the same time, I think it's going to be making the profiles a lot more fun now. It's going to hopefully get people to interact with the website more. And that's kind of the goal. So I'm hoping we're gonna get some progress on there now. And then I am gonna try to fix the mobile version of Spenix as well too, which the mobile's not too bad right now. But it does have some issues that I do want to try to fix. So that way people can use desktop as of this day. It's a little bit more successful on the, the mobile end of things. But I think for today's second objective, I do want to try to get another set of Judgment Day updates out. Yes. Alright, so good news, guys. I did fix all the bugs with the new update just now. And then for the tasks, we're going to also have daily tasks too. Alright, we're going to create another backup. As this update has been successfully completed on the things that I wanted to get done today. Now it's kind of just doing polishing and detail now. And then obviously enhancing the system we have now to be better yet. More new updates in the area of what's new. I'm trying to figure out how we should do the level balls. And right now, I think we're gonna do it like under the username. Or we'll do it on the top right maybe. See what we got. Hopefully this new update is successful in 2 new ways. Still not successful in that way. Not gonna lie, this website's so much cooler than Facebook now. Facebook got the fuck you pretty much. Why do I keep doing that today? It's really pissing me off. What the fuck? Oh, alright. I want to see the mob phone, by the way. How's everything going on the Minecraft server, guys? Sorry I haven't really been playing the Minecraft server too much today. I'm trying to get all new updates done. But this is still a win for our Minecraft server too, because we're gonna hopefully get all players to use our website too. Everything that we're doing is good for everything. Oh shit. No, you're good. Oh, your town hall's looking good, man. Looking pretty dope. Gotcha. Yeah, our spawn's actually looking pretty good on the survival. I think our survival spawn actually looks pretty dope. It's looking pretty good. Oh, by the way, do you need me to get rid of all these mountains here for you, Akis? All these mountains in here. Like right now, I see there's like a bunch of like mountain. You need me to get rid of all this? Yeah, I got you, boss. Yeah, I'll get rid of this for you. That way you could actually build in peace and not have to worry about any of this crap in the way. There you go. That should make it a little bit more easier to build now. You're welcome. Did any of you guys bring back this end total? Which I have nothing against it. The only thing I don't really like about it is it's like really, it's not really in the middle. So like it's kind of ruining the rest of this in my opinion. It looks a little tacky, I'm gonna be honest with you. I don't know who added this, but maybe for the end total, maybe we should I mean, is your goal to try to get people to go to the end for it? Because if so, we could just, if you guys really want an end total, I think we could put it, we could end up like putting it on the ground here or something. I feel like we could find a better spot for it. Like if we're gonna do the portal itself, I feel like we should do the portal like its actual self. Which we could do. If you guys want to go off that idea, we could still do it. But for this right here, I don't think we should really do it right here. Because the problem with this is, it's like, it's way to the right. Like if we're going to do an idea like this, it's got to be directly in the middle. Otherwise, it's going to ruin this whole build right here. Like right now, it looks really tacky, like the way it is right now. Like as for the end portal, we could put the end portal like anywhere on the spawn. Yeah, I would. If you're gonna actually use the end portal, I would actually like put it to where like people could use it. Cause like just having it there as decoration, it's kind of just like taunting people. It's kind of misleading. And that's another problem too. I think we should. That's one of the reasons why I think it should be moved too. Like if we're gonna have it in the spawn, at least people should be able to use it at least. There's only one problem though. When we TP to survival, it's gonna be right on the spawn point. Like you can't even TP to survival civil now. What do you think we should do, Lofi? Do you think we should move it, or do you think we should keep it there and then move the spawn point? But we have another problem too. These stairs right here, we're missing stairs right here right now too. Yeah, I think we should move it. Like I said, I think we should like put it like off to like the side in its own area. Maybe we could like put it right here, like we could build like maybe like a pathway that takes you to like right here or something. Because we already have the nether portal right here. This area, there's really nothing going on over here. Maybe we could build this to kind of be like a dead biome or something, and then do some decoration and have the like the end portal on the ground or something. That would be actually a cool idea. I feel like we should make it special, yeah. Like we should give it like a special appearance. I feel like we should even do something with the nether too. Or maybe what we could even do is we could do like a maze or something. Maybe we could build like a maze and you have to like find it through the maze or something. That way there's something else to do on the survival server too. Maybe we could build like a 500 by like 500 block maze, or like a 1000 by 1000 block maze. So it's another activity to do on the server. That way people kind of have to work to go to the end rather than just get a free pass to go to the end. And like we could build it to be like in like a dungeon too. Like maybe we could build it. I feel like people should have to kind of work for it, you know? Same with the nether portal too. I feel like with the nether portal we should do the same too. Oh, it's going now. I didn't even create a post today, but that's weird. Alright, let me make sure this works.
What do you want for dinner?
Want some chicken strips or something?
Chicken strips.
Chicken strips.
Chicken strips.
Alright, so we have a little bit of a bug with the tasks right now. Alright, babe, I have one question for you. So right now, this is the new level up ball system for profiles. Where should I put it? Because right now, it's not in a really a good spot right now. I want to keep it up here somewhere, but we'll try. Should I put it like right under here?
Nope.
I move this up.
Nope. On top of. Nope. Like where the white part is.
Here?
Yeah.
There's only one problem though with doing that. I don't think it's going to show the other people's profiles. Well, the other, because like when you go to like other profiles, I want the level to still pretty much like down. That's pretty much like the site header though. So like that's for like the list of options. If it had to be in this gray area, where would you put it in this gray area?
I don't know.
It has to be like somewhere in this gray area.
I don't know.
Alright. Go into the chat. Alright guys, I have one question. Who wants to be my little problem solvers here? Because I need some solutionists. Alright, so right now, let me make sure you guys can see what I'm looking at. Alright, so right now on the website, we're going to have like a level system for every profile. It has to go somewhere in this gray area. Where should I put this exactly? Should I put this on the top right? Should I maybe move this up and put it under this? But that's going to be pretty tight. That's going to actually be pretty tight to do that, I feel like. What do you guys think? I don't know. I think I'm going to have to do it on the top right. So if you look at my screen right now, you see this like level up ball.
I think that's a good spot, but you should make the bar bigger.
Oh, you even like this spot right now? Oh, so like maybe make it longer is what you're saying. That's actually a good idea. Yeah, we could actually do that. So like we'll try to figure out like where to put this right now. Like this like level up ball. But you're saying I should make it longer though. So maybe we could have the level like start like right here, and then we can have it like extend like all the way here. And then we can have the profile stickers maybe on like the top right up here. What do you think, Akis? You think it's a good spot, but I should make the ball bigger? Okay. Actually, yeah, it does actually look pretty good though. And I think right now we'll have the... I think for the profile stickers we'll maybe try to move those up a little bit. Oh, we'll keep those on the top right. I think we'll have the profile stickers on the top right. Alright. My question to you guys is, do you guys see yourself using Sphenix in the future? And do you guys have any other ideas you like to see on Sphenix? Pretty cool though. I like this new idea that I'm working on. I think this is a really cool idea. And one of the reasons why I'm working on this idea is because I think it's going to be making the website more fun for everybody. I think I'm also gonna move the profile stickers to the top right corner. And I'll have you guys take another look after I do this update.
Yay! I'm in.
You're all good.
Okay, good. Everything transferred over. See?
Yeah, it looks clean. There you go. Alright, let's do this. Curious to see how this is gonna look.
Okay, I'm gonna wipe the computer and then give it to you if you want it.
Okay.
You can buy a new case and everything.
Alright. Oh, that makes sense. That makes sense. It is coming from that. What is that code? This is probably it. Oh, okay, yep, that's the problem right there. Yeah, I think for this we're gonna make it line up with that. Why does that look a little down? Okay, so we got that. Alright, let's see what we got now. Thank you, babes.
I know it's kind of old, but you could use it for
Yeah,
testing phonics or whatever you need.
yeah. This will mainly be for Svenix. Who knows, maybe I'll just go one day and just want to go on Svenix. I'll put it in the room, okay?
Okay. You're welcome.
Thank you, babes.
Uh-huh.
Well, it's still your computer. Oh, you got it lined up perfectly now? It still isn't lined up perfectly. It's still a little bit off. Like if you look at this, hang on. Yeah, it's gonna be off a little bit. And then as we were saying earlier, this is going to integrate with our spawn system as well too. Because when players join the server, they spawn right in the middle of this. So as I said, I think we should revoke this into a better idea. I don't think we should do this at all in this area at all. I think we should do the portal itself as its like own idea. And I kind of like what Lofi was saying about like we should maybe take it into like a new system, if that makes sense. Like it shouldn't just be like people should just get to go in it. Like they should kind of have to vote for it. And as I mentioned, we could maybe do like a maze system. We could maybe do he mentioned like a cool bridge to it. I think that's another cool idea too. But I feel like we should take it in a different direction. Not necessarily right in the middle of the spawn, because this is affecting our spawn point. It's also not really a good spot for it, because if not everybody's going to want to go to the end. Especially new players, a lot of people don't like to go to the end right away either. A lot of people kind of want to look for that, and we don't want to take that away.
I'm going to go test it out in that room.
Okay. Sounds good.
I don't think my parents will be mad, because, yeah, my money.
Yeah.
And you get, I needed it, obviously, with the whole charging thing.
Yeah, you just let them know you needed it. You need a new computer.
I mean, after 5 to 7 years, you know.
Yeah. Yep.
It's run its course.
I mean, it makes you happy, right? There you go. Gotta also do what makes you happy too.
And I got, I'm glad I got this one, even though it was a little more, but I think
If you're gonna get a new computer, you might as well do it, right?
because I was looking at the less expensive ones, but then I'm like, after hearing what everyone, like the people were saying, I'm like, this one.
I love you.
I wish it was in a different color other than black and silver. I know they had this black, but you can't really tell with the keys on what
Oh.
color it is.
It's actually, it looks pretty nice. It looks classy. It looks clean.
I love you.
I love you too. Alright. And if your parents did big deal, what I'll do is we can always sell them like if it's a really big deal, I'll even go a house with you on it. Just it's still yours, but I'll go a house with you. Just
No,
that way you can you still use it.
it's
I love you too. Yeah. Okay.
Friday the 3rd, we're doing the pool party, right? On Saturday.
Yeah. Saturday is Independence Day, so we're just doing the cookout and then yeah. Well, why didn't the frick this move? That's annoying. Like the shit didn't even move at all. It was supposed to move it. Dude, why is this doing this today? This is like really pissing me off. Every time like I try to like paste the code, like it just freaking cancels out sometimes. Come on. Don't want to have to be finding updates for 30 minutes just to do a simple fix. Okay, that didn't really do what I wanted it to do, but I guess it made it a little better. So I can't really complain against that. Yo, what's up, Mohammed? Oh, what's up, Mo? How's it going? This is not making my life easy when the internet's moving slow today, too. I'm doing good, man. I'm just doing some website updates at the moment, which everything's going pretty good. Other than my Wi-Fi moving kind of slowly, which is ass, but other than that, I guess I could deal with that. I mean, as long as I'm able to still work on stuff, I can't really get mad. To an extent, I mean, I'm using like ChatGPT to help with that. I'm more of like well, I guess it was like, with this project, I'm kind of using more like ChatGPT, and I'm kind of giving it like my vision and ideas. But yeah, it does involve coding. And then for my game development project, yeah, that one's more like visual coding. I do more visual coding on that because I use Unreal Engine. I don't have the time to teach myself coding, so I'm trying to take shortcuts on that. Obviously, you got to know how to code, or you got to obviously, you know, have a system to get you the code. And that's kind of what I'm doing. I'm pretty much having that do all the dirty work, and then I'm pretty much having it do what I want it to do, pretty much. Yeah. I mean, overall, GBT is not really an issue. It's just, you know, sometimes it will give you some, it will, yeah, it likes to mess up a lot of times, and you have to, like, correct it on a lot of things. That's the only problem with GBT and these AI stuff, but overall, I mean, it's not really doing too bad. It's doing me justice in a lot of ways. Trying to solve like 2 more problems today, and I think I'm calling it a day. This is a big update I did today. It's because I got the fan going. It's because the fan's probably right next to my mic. I gotta have this fan running now. This room gets way too hot. This is a really sensitive mic. It picks up like the whole house. You can probably hear the dog barking right now. I'm gonna do one problem at a time right now. We're gonna just do one small problem at a time, because if I start doing 2 problems, then it likes to just screw everything up. Me, I use Windows.
Me too.
Yeah, I mean, overall, though, this website's looking good, like looking good and everything. I mean, the project itself is doing a good job. It's just the biggest challenge right now is, you know, this new update. I'm doing like a whole set of new updates today, and like it came up. Obviously, when you do a new update, it's gonna be buggy at first. You know, it's gonna come up with a lot of problems and issues.
4656. It's my personal computer, but I also host my Minecraft server on it. But I may need a server rack with real Ubuntu Linux.
So that's what we're trying to surpass right now. Yeah, I've been working on this website for months. I still have a lot to do. I feel like it never ends. Every time I do an update, like something else gets screwed up, or you know. I know that like the site's not getting like messed up, but you know, it's just a big project. I've been like encountering a lot of new challenges right now too, because the site's just really big. My God. Nah, I wish the damn thing would actually like not do that. I'm just trying to do like two simple tasks and it's just turning into just a nightmare. No, we don't have too many people here today. We have a couple of people like in the server right now, and then not really too many people in chat today. It's been a little bit of a slow stream. Okay, yeah, I'll be down after these two updates, okay? French fries and onion rings? Okay. It ain't helping too with my freaking Wi-Fi being slow today. That's making this more of a headache. Can't wait to get these updates done. Other than that though, I feel like this is actually getting somewhere, like it's actually looking good. It's definitely a big project though, this website project I've been working on. I've been working on this since like January. But I feel like I'm getting close. Like I feel like I'm getting the site where I want it to be now. And then after that, I gotta get the mobile app out next. That's the next project I gotta work on, which I got a lot of that done. That came into the squeeze too, so like I'm glad I got a lot of that done. But I do have to go back and fix a lot of stuff on it, because obviously updating the site, a lot of stuff got messed up. But thankfully, a lot of it's still functioning. This is a big old project though. Oh my god, you dumbass thing. Oh my god, it shouldn't be this difficult just to do this. I just want to get this update done. Like, it's dragging out to just be more of a headache right now because I don't want to listen. And then the thing that comes with that is it just wastes your time on that point. I'm glad I got like 90% of this update done. Even if I don't finish it today, I got pretty much the main stuff done that I wanted to get done. I wanted to get some game development in today, but I don't think I'm gonna get that in today. Why does this keep doing this today? It's really pissing me off, man. Again, I don't know why this fucking computer is acting up today. It's so annoying. Alright, let's see if we got progress now. Probably not. Yeah, this thing's being retarded right now. It's being a little dumb, not gonna lie. Oh my god. So apparently I gotta use this as a reference because this is just fucking retarded. Rather than just make things easy, it's always gotta just not the times I want things to go good, it never goes good. So in this case, you know what? Fuck it. Can't wait to get this shit done. I'm so glad I'm almost done with this. I'm getting annoyed right now because like it's an easy update and it's not doing what I need it to do. That's what's frustrating. Motherfucker. So now I have to go an extra step to try to like get this thing to get its shit together because like it's just being retarded as hell. This is the only thing I don't like about ChatGPT. Like it doesn't do what you tell it to do sometimes. It just guesses, and I hate that. You have to be really, really specific with this, so it does not like to cooperate sometimes. But I will say I do like ChatGPT. It's helped me build this website. Honestly, it got it to the ground all the way to where it's at now. But it has kind of a lot of frustration.
Well, the United States just gave Iran no choice but to retaliate with nuclear weapons in this
Alright, this is gonna hopefully get it to go now. I mean, I don't know how much more explanatory I have to be for this shit. This is the main thing I just want to get done today. The rest of the shit, I don't care if I get done or not today. I will be happy with just this update. Looks like it's the same link. I just don't know why. Just having trouble getting to the area I needed to go to. Otherwise, I'm gonna just still telling it what to do next, pixel-wise, and that will fix the problem. Trying to not go that route, but I'm to the point I might have to. This is why I like game developing better sometimes. I'm gonna be honest with you, when it comes to like solving problems and stuff, I'm more of a game developer. Now for the website project, obviously ChatGPT, because it does all the major headaches for me. Alright guys, I'm gonna probably end stream for today. I will be back on tomorrow for another live stream, okay? And we will hopefully get some people to join in Minecraft. I can't really say I can do that myself, but hopefully we'll get some people to join in. Starting to get things done with this website now. This next chunk of updates is nice. And I'm hoping this is going to be the mood to draw people into Sphenix. Which right now, everything with Sphenix is going pretty good. It's just, you know, we're just kind of encountering a couple more issues that I gotta tackle. I think we'll have a lot of this stuff done by July. I think most of the desktop will be good by July. I'm hoping to have mobile on track in July. And hopefully we could, after we get mobile done, then we're gonna start looking into the mobile app next. So I'm hoping July and August are going to be some really good months for Sphenix. And then as for Judgment Day, I think we're going to have a strong month in July. On Minecraft server, I feel like, you know, we just got to just keep promoting this. This is kind of doing its own thing now. We didn't really have a good stream day today, but I haven't really been prioritizing my streams too much right now, as I've been building all these projects, so it sucks that I gotta shuffle everything, but we're all getting there, guys. We're starting to get there, and I think we're gonna hopefully have a really good month of July. We had a really good month of June this year. This is a really good month. We got a lot done in June. There's the code, motherfucker. Come on. Don't ask for what? Alright, hopefully this fixes this now. I don't even care if it's not even on the money. I just want to hopefully just get it on point. To a pretty good extent today. No more bullshit, come on. Why didn't it move? Okay, this update is really pissing me off now. Like, this thing is actually retarded. Okay, you know what? If you don't want to fucking move, then to the point, if it's gonna start being retarded, then I'm just gonna tell it to start doing its own thing then. Looks like I gotta take control of this shit. It amazes me how this is struggling so bad just to do a simple fucking task. This is retarded now. I'm so glad that these profile updates are almost done, cause man, like this is what's dragging out Svenix. Like all the other updates haven't been so bad. It's just the profiles. There's so much profile logic to it, like it's just insane. Oh my god, this fucking code shit is pissing me off today. Dude, what are you doing, computer? You motherfucker, dude. I am getting pissed now. I don't know why this is being fucking dumb today. I've never had this problem until today. Come on. It's a simple task. It shouldn't be this difficult. It's better listen too. Like, I don't know what the fuck. Like, why is this like rocket science? Thank you. Okay, it's actually doing its job now. Okay, move it over to. Yo, what's up, the red chips? How you doing today? Would you like to come join in Minecraft today, the red chips? Is queuing allowed? We have a PvP arena, and then we do have factions. So if you want to do queuing is allowed in those two modes. We just don't really have a lot of players that do PvP as of this day, as we're still kind of going on silver. But there is a lot to do on silver as of this day, and we all upgrading it day by day right now. Hey, thanks for clicking that follow button too. By the way, what's your favorite kind of chips? Okay, let's see what we got for this next code. You know, sometimes the things don't like to go. That's where we need to step into play then. Ooh. That did not work. Let's try this again. Yeah, pretty much only in the PvP arena and then factions. So we do allow PvP, just yeah. And then sorry that I'm not really playing too much today, guys. I've just been doing a bunch of website updates. The PvP's going. Yeah, the PvP's actually going now. I fixed that yesterday, Sonic. So yeah, PvP actually does go on here, but it's just kind of a basic arena at the moment. We like to add probably some little stuff. see what we got. Hoping this is just on the money so I don't have to keep doing this like 20 times. I mean, I'm not mad anymore because I know I got the update actually in control now. It's frustrating as hell though. Ah, it's like off by probably like 10. It's close. It's very, very close, guys. Okay, let's see what this is. It's very close. Oh. Is that it? I think it's on the money. Finally. Yes. Got it. Oh, I finally got that update done for the level up ball. Now I gotta move the profile stickers up now. Alright, good. Achievements / tasks. Okay, what a pain in the ass. And it wasn't even that hard of an update, you know? It wasn't even that hard of an update. It's just having to, you know, play around with this for 20 years. It's annoying. This is a major update. I'm saving this son of a bitch. I could really push myself and get extra stuff done today, or I could just say, you know, stop where I'm at today. I kind of want to just keep getting more done, honestly, because it's more of a relief knowing that I'm getting more done. Profile stickers, okay. Takes forever to load. My Wi-Fi is moving so fucking slow today. Shouldn't be taking this long. That's what's also making this a lot more frustrating today. Like, I'm losing a lot of time because of this loading today. I'm gonna try to get another task done. Okay, let's see what this next code does. I'm gonna try to get this next task done, and I think that's gonna be the main stuff I want to do for today. I may even come back on here for another hour and try to hit up some extra bugs. Which, if I could do that and get some of this other stuff done, it will make my life a little bit more happy. This update itself doesn't even have to be perfect either. But other than that, the actual profile pages look nice. I gotta say, I think everything else is actually looking pretty damn good. I would like to try to fix this a little bit better though. This looks a little tacky. I don't like that too much. Come on. Alright, let's see what we got here. I'm hoping this does it. Hopefully this does what I need it to do. I'd really like to get this next update done today. Alright, let's see what we got. Please do what I need it to do. Okay, did this even move it? I mean, it actually does not look that bad. The question is, did it even move it? Okay, I did move it. Yes. Okay. That did move it. So this update is looking pretty good. We gotta move it over. I think another 5. Yeah, even right there actually doesn't look too bad. We'll do it like another 5.